and welcome back to the channel. My name is Katie, and guys, guess who's been calling it? Who's been calling it for a while now? Ya girl, and I've gotten lots of crap for it. This is always what happens, and this is why I love you guys as an audience, because you guys have stuck by me so much because you've watched this happen. I will say things and people will go, oh no, you're crazy, you're a dumb little girl who doesn't know what she's talking about. But I end up being right because I have that weird insight into things. That's why I was able to call stimulus checks and several other things over the years. But we are getting season 2 of the Amber Heard Johnny Depp trial. Y'all, she filed the second appeal. I told you it's not over. I literally thought, I'm like, they are just getting their ducks in a row. Now we get to see what they filed and we get to see what's in there, because what they filed now for this may be different than what they gave Judge A. So guys, this is gonna get really interesting. Also, I have to apologize ahead of time. I had my videos ready. Okay guys, I wake up at 5 in the morning, I meditate for an hour, I get up, and then I film. And unless there's breaking news, after I film, I get my stuff ready, probably about between 10 and 11 o'clock. Then I start the rest of my health routine, right? So I've already done my walk, which is like I'm out in 102-degree heat, and I do that for an hour as quick as I can without almost jogging or running, right? Like I'm Oprah power walking and strutting around. And just when I got back, and I'm a wet, because I just sweat the whole time, like a complete mess, the news broke. So I tried to get myself presentable. If my face looks super white, I put sunscreen on, and it's zinc. And it's organic, and if I put on too much, my face gets white, and I put on a lot today, not thinking about it. I did try to take it off, but I feel like it didn't come off, so this isn't any weird makeup, but if I look, as I said this before, if I look like a wet dog, I feel like a wet dog, and that's exactly what I am. I didn't even put barrettes in my hair. I'm like, screw it, let's just go. But I wanted to get this up, I wanted to get this news out for you guys. I'm dying. I told y'all it wasn't over. I told you this wasn't over. People get mad at me. Why are you still covering this? The court case is over. This is not over. Between this and what's going on with Australia and the UK, guys, the situation, I think, is going to get more and more interesting. So let's go ahead and let's jump in. Also, if you're new here, you like this kind of content, you just want to giggle at all the dumb stuff we see in the news, make sure and subscribe, hit that notification bell. Love to have you. And I'm giving away a $100 gift card. Almost nobody's doing it, so make sure and do it. It's really simple. All you have to do, and it helps me out too, like the video, subscribe, hit notifications, comment, share the content, watch the video from start to finish. Boom, you're entered, you're eligible. Do it for every video you see, because the more you do it, the more times you can win. I'll announce a winner August 1st. Good luck. Okay, let's jump on. Hold on. Every single time, like I have everything pulled up. I have everything ready to go. And then somehow I've lost it. And now here it is. You guys can't see my monitor, but I know what's going on. So here we go. This is from ABC News. Heard files notice of appeal of $10 million defamation verdict. Heard's lawyers had announced they would appeal immediately after the jury found on June 1st that she had defamed ex-husband Johnny Depp. I've got a conspiracy theory. Go check out my video from earlier. Go check it out about Elon Musk. Was she just getting the billionaires in her back pocket to pay for this next appeal? I am wondering. That piece that came out the other day, what was it, yesterday? On Elon that I just covered, right? I just covered it today. I wonder if those were warning shots to Elon. Hey, you better keep paying my expenses, because we got to keep going with this. That's a whole nother subject for another video, but something I wanted to point out. Heard's lawyers had announced they would appeal immediately after the jury found on June 1st that she defamed ex-husband Johnny Depp. Let's go. Amber Heard filed a notice of appeal on Thursday, today, of the $10 million defamation verdict that a Virginia jury awarded to her ex-husband, Johnny Depp. I am reeling from this. I am so excited for this. It says, Heard's lawyers announced they would appeal immediately after the jury found on June 1st that she had defamed Johnny Depp by publishing that op-ed in the Washington Post, in which she described herself as a public figure representing domestic A-word. The jury held that the statement was false and was made with actual malice, and now her insurance company is suing her for that money. Question, can the insurance, this dress and this bra, I need new bras, I have to figure out what to do with these. I don't know what to do. Sound off in the comments, ladies. What do you do when you go up like a cup size and a half because of weird hormonal things and nothing fits? It's annoying. All right. The jury held that it was with malice. Okay, this is what I was going to ask. So we know that the insurance company is suing her. Does that mean their lawsuits are on hold if she continues this situation, if it's continuing to be litigated? You would think so, but then we don't know. I don't know. That's going to be something I'll dive into. We believe the court made errors that prevented a just and fair verdict consistent with the First Amendment, Heard's spokesperson said on Thursday. We are therefore appealing the verdict. While we realize today's filings will ignite the Twitter bonfires. Really, they have ignited, they have not stopped stoking the fires. You just keep throwing gasoline on them, y'all. There are steps we need to take to ensure both fairness and justice. The 2-paragraph notice does not spell out the grounds for Heard's appeal. So that's something we'll have to see exactly what they're going to do with. In response, Depp's representative said his team remains confident the verdict will be upheld. The jury listened to the extensive evidence presented during the 6-week trial and came to a clear and unanimous verdict that the defendant herself defamed Mr. Depp in multiple instances, his spokesperson said. We remain confident in our case and that this verdict will stand. The jury found that 3 statements in the op-ed were defamatory and awarded $10 million in compensatory damages and $5 million in punitive damages. The punitive damages award was then lowered to $350,000 to comply with Virginia's statutory cap. The jury also found Depp liable for a statement made by his attorney, Adam Waldman, in which he accused Heard of fabricating a hoax. The jury ordered Depp to pay $2 million for that statement. Heard's lawyers had previously asked Judge Penny A. to set aside the verdict for several reasons, including the allegation that one of the jurors showed up to trial despite never receiving a summons. Judge A denied Heard's request, finding that she had waited too long to raise her objection and had not shown she was denied a fair trial. Well, here's a question, because this is something I covered recently. One thing that a lot of, by the way, is my video dark? I feel like the lighting is dark. And I saw this earlier and I thought I fixed it, but I'm also not used to filming at this time. I don't know, let me know. I feel like between that and my white face, I look like a ghost. But okay, so Heard, Depp, what was it? The trial received the summons that long. Okay, this is something. I did a video on this. She was late in filing. They were late in getting the appeal in as it was. As a result, does that mean she can't go through the other appeals in court? I wonder, or what kind of bearing that might have. I think that's an interesting question. A lot of stuff that I'm going to dig into, and we're going to have to wait and see. I'm sure we're going to hear from a slew of lawyers between TikTok and YouTube, which is awesome. Hey, LawTube, hey! I've been having fun with LawTube and CrimeTube. I know a lot of people have. But this is going to get, guys, I think this is going to get really interesting. Really, really interesting. And I am super excited, literally, legitimately, to see where all of this goes. This is so stupid, but let's be honest, this has been insanely entertaining, and I feel like it's opened up so many conversations about A word, right? Domestic A, and what that means for both men and women, and reactive A word, and all different types of things. And on top of that, like I said, we also have Australia. I have a video coming out about this. They are breathing down Amber Heard's necks right now. They want her extradited. They want her there, and they want to retry her for perjury because of what she said within the UK and the US and making her assistant lie for her and all of that. Guys, this is going to get so interesting. And I don't know about y'all, but I can't wait for season 2 of the Amber Heard Johnny Depp trial. What do you guys think? I am so, it's my computer battery has just been like doing crazy things. If you've seen me like sometimes unplugging stuff, that is why, y'all. But I want to know what you guys think. Are we going to get season 2 of the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard trial? What do you guys think about the grounds? What grounds are they going to do this on? Are they still going to push for that fake juror situation? Now, Heard's team has said in Virginia that I guess the laws are super, super strict about that, and that they are really big on jury selection. So I wonder if them going through the Virginia Court of Appeals, which I assume is where they did this through, right? That's going to be the next step, is that are they going to continue to push that narrative outside of Judge A's ruling? It's going to get really interesting, and I think it's going to get wild. And I'm very excited to see where this goes. But like I said, she can't afford to not continue to do this. So at this point, it's what billionaires are going to keep funding her. And I honestly think these hit pieces coming out about Elon Musk, I think those are warning shots. I think they were warning shots, and I had a feeling. That's why I put that video up today. I'm like, something doesn't smell right with this. And now we know. So what do you guys think? Sound off in the comments. Also, if you like this video, you want to subscribe, and I promise I won't always have a face and a hair like this. Make sure and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Would love to have you. And $100 gift card giveaway. Helps me, helps you. Almost nobody's doing it. Like the video, subscribe, hit notifications, comment, share the content, watch a video from start to finish. You're entered. You're eligible. That is it. Otherwise, I'm going to go continue with the rest of my day. I'm so excited. I'm going to eat Taco Bell today. Ew, I know, but that's what I'm going to do. I have today is what we call a food day. I have to eat a lot, which I don't like, but screw it. We're going to do tacos and nachos and maybe a burrito and those little Cinnabon things. We'll see. Y'all come eat lunch with me. All right, guys, take care. Lots of love, lots of blessings. Till the next video, hugs for everybody. Mwah. Kisses as always. Stay safe. Your girl will see you soon. Bye, guys.